we go to Kitzur, and let's see. So we're on page 28, and we're finishing the section with the title "Proper Behavior in Bathroom, Loss of Asher Yotzer." Okay, so Halachah number 4, Sif number 4. It is forbidden to contemplate Torah thoughts while in a bathroom, as explained below in 5.2. Okay. Therefore, while he is there, it is proper to think about one's business or financial calculations, so that he does not come to think the Torah thoughts or sinful thoughts. God forbid. Okay. So we're going to see commentary 15. So basically, so you're not allowed to think Torah thoughts in a bathroom. Commentary number 15. One who finds himself thinking sinful thoughts in a bathroom may occupy his mind with the Torah topics temporarily, if this will serve to drive away the forbidden thoughts from his mind. Mishnah Brura. So we see how disgusting and how bad these sinful thoughts. So it's when they say sinful thoughts, I think that they're talking about this some immoral things. All right.
So are you allowed to think about like HaShem when you're in the bathroom? Not
No. It's also part of the Torah.
Okay.
So no HaShem, even though we said that He's everywhere. So you're not allowed. So even we're not talking about like speaking out loud, right? And not even, but even thinking, not allowed. So basically, that's what Kitzur said. Think about business, what you're going to have for lunch, for dinner. I have to buy bread. I have to buy this. I have to change oil in my car. Whatever, some other things. Right? When in the bathroom on Shabbos, one may not think about the business. So as you said last time, as we discussed, so on Shabbos we don't think about business and we don't talk about business. Okay, he should contemplate fascinating things that he saw or heard or the like. Right. So there are many things to think about in the bathroom. Okay.